guys, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be sharing my experience with my first few payments from Redbubble. If you still don't know that I have a Redbubble, the link to my account has been in the description of my videos for quite a while now. Anyway, let's get straight into the video. I started Redbubble last fall hoping that I would make just some money from it, and I actually made a lot. I originally started by making just some pretty bad looking designs. After I realized what I needed to do to actually make a sale, I started making some more aesthetic looking Redbubble designs. These were from a dead trend, the visco trend. I guess it's still kind of, but it's not really a thing anymore. But since the trend was dead, I only got one sale out of it. But eventually I started making designs that were more up to date, like my collection of Among Us stickers. I originally only made 2 sales from the Among Us stickers, so I was really starting to gain hope that Redbubble could get me somewhere at this time, but I also thought of a really good idea. I couldn't find stickers that I wanted on Redbubble, so I thought, what if I made my own stickers and then bought them? I would make back 20% of the money, so I would basically be getting it for cheap. So I had this idea and I started making sticker designs with many different stickers in them so that I can buy it for cheap and also get money back. The first one I made was called Dream SMP Memes. As you can tell, I was still and still am into the Dream SMP, so I wanted to get stickers that were related to them. When I made these stickers, I discovered a whole new side to Redbubble. Apparently there were also other people who were making Dream SMP designs. But that really didn't matter to me because I made a whole bunch of stickers that I wanted to ask my mom to get me for Christmas. Unfortunately, my mom said no. Not only did she not believe that I could make any money from Redbubble, but she also thought that it was a waste of time. But then, one day after making a design called Lemannberg, Tommy, and Tubbo, my Redbubble sales started spiking up. It turns out that the design was really popular and was one of the first results for Dream SMP, like the search. Since the Dream SMP was a huge fan base, I was making lots of sales off of it. I was so excited because I had proved my mom wrong, and I also actually started to make money without anyone's help, and it felt like a huge achievement. Since then, I've earned about like 250 or maybe 300, I don't know, more dollars, like around that much. When you get your payments from Redbubble, it just sends it directly to your PayPal or bank account, and it also says in progress when Redbubble is sending you the money. Redbubble sends money on the 15th of every month if you have crossed the threshold amount of $20. If you didn't cross the threshold, the money would stay in Redbubble and you would still earn it when you reach the threshold. Basically, it piles up in your Redbubble account. I feel like Redbubble is really more of a side hustle unless all your designs are attracting many people to them. It really depends on your products because one of them could be making the most sales for you, just like for me. So I'm currently looking at my Redbubble statistics, and according to it, out of the $329.02 I've earned, 551 sales or $214 are from the Lemannberg, Tommy, and Tubbo stickers. The best word I can think of to describe what happened was that it went viral, but I wouldn't really consider it going viral. From my experience, I think Dream SMP is really good compared to some other thing like visco, and also I think if you put more energy into it to make it something that you would buy yourself, more people will buy it. So for me, Lemannberg, Tommy, and Tubbo, I really wanted to buy for myself, so I made that one. And then Dream SMP Memes was my first attempt, and Dream SMP Memes, the second one, that's an actual sticker, was my second attempt, and all 3 of those made the most sales because all of those were ones that I actually considered buying myself. I think the rest of my designs didn't make as many sales because I didn't put as much effort into them, and I didn't actually want to consider buying it. So if you want to start Redbubble, you can start now, it's free. And start by making a design that you would buy yourself. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, make sure to share it with your friend who is considering to start Redbubble, and also interact with this video in some way. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you guys later with another video. Bye!
Endless roads to the horizon, past the oasis, it's all behind you. Mirage of agua, the stars above you, the creatures' days.